The exact individual who first made bread is unknown, but the practice of bread making has ancient roots. The first evidence of humans processing wild cereal grains into a bread-like substance dates back to the Natufian hunter-gatherers, who lived in the Jordan River Valley region of the Middle East about 12,500 years ago. They made a coarse flour from barley and other grains, which they then used to make a small, unleavened loaf. Charred crumbs of a flatbread made by these Natufian hunter-gatherers from wild wheat, wild barley, and plant roots between 11,600 and 14,600 years ago have been found at the archaeological site of Shubayqa in the Black Desert in Jordan. This predates the earliest known making of bread from cultivated wheat by thousands of years. The ancient Egyptians are credited with making the first baked leavened bread. They discovered how to ferment a mixture of flour and water. The first known leavened bread made with semi-domesticated yeast dates back to around 1000 BC in Egypt. So, while it's difficult to pinpoint the exact individual who first made bread, it's clear that the practice has ancient roots in human history. The process evolved over time, with different cultures contributing to the development of the bread we know today.